is our Drayton unit. It's a 1-bedroom, 1405. It is ready for rent. We walk in, we have the coat closet, and then to the right, an open living room. This is on the second floor with a fireplace. You have your dining room and your spacious 1-bedroom kitchen. This one has dark cabinets and black appliances. Going through the living room, you have your patio. This unit is close to the main gate, security gate that we talked about earlier, as well as the nice leasing office and tennis courts and that beautiful saltwater pool. Next, we have your laundry room with washer and dryer connections and your HVAC system. Our 1-bedrooms are unique and they have a second room that we call the den. It is perfect for an office workspace or to use as a second bedroom. Yes, that's right, in our 1-bedroom model. Lots of light and closet space. Then we come out to a shared bathroom that can be entered from the hall or privacy through the master bedroom. This unit has the large garden tub and the private entrance to the master bedroom. Large window space with a second window on the side and a large walk-in closet. Welcome to the Drayton 1-bedroom with den. Thank you.